The first step to use ChatGPT is to sign up on OpenAI and create an account on it. The following page will appear on your screen once you visit the OpenAI website. Click on the Sign Up option. The following page will appear on your screen. Click on the Sign Up option. In case the website is taking time to load, then refresh the page or check back after some time. First, go to OpenAI, then choose the Sign Up option, add your email and password, then verify your email, then fill in your personal data and verify your phone number, then your account is ready to use. Go to ChatGPT of OpenAI and choose the Sign Up option. Add email and create your password. Verify your email address. Add your personal data. Verify your mobile number and start using ChatGPT. After you have successfully signed up for ChatGPT, the next step is to verify your account. If you signed up through your email, then a verification email will be sent to your inbox. Follow the link sent to your mobile phone and complete the verification process. Fill up the details asked and proceed. Now that you have successfully created an account on ChatGPT, you can begin to use it. It is simple and easy to use. Simply type any question that you wish to know about in the search bar. ChatGPT is simple and easy to use. One thing that you should keep in mind while using it is that you input statement questions in it. In order to use ChatGPT, the first thing that you need to do is to create an account on OpenAI. Given below is the step-by-step guide to using ChatGPT in a hassle-free manner.